Hello guys, this is Swati and you're watching Swati Commerce classes. First of all, I want to say sorry you all my YouTube family because this video is going to upload after a long time, approx after 1 year. But now I am promising you I will be regular and I will upload on every Sunday. Now without any further ado, let's get started. Before to start, I would like to request you please do subscribe my channel if you are new here and hit the bell icon next to it so you are first to know when I upload anything new. So now without any further ado, let's get started. I hope you are familiar with the topic as written down in the title. Today I am going to share with you how you can apply for the LiC IPO. Just you need to log in with your Demat account and go with the profile section. In this section you will get the option LiC IPO. Just click over it and you will be redirected on the console of Zerodha website. If you have Demat account with the another broker, you can apply as well. In this video, I am going to show how you can apply for the with the Zerodha account. Just you click over the IPO section, you will be redirected on this page. And if you want to apply for more than one lot, just change the lot section. In one lot, you will get 15 quantity. In first option, just you need to apply on the cutoff price is 949. In the second option you can change your cutoff price according to you. If you want to apply more than cutoff price, then you will not redirect it to apply for the IPO. Just you need to keep the below the cutoff price. As you can see, I put it in 959. You will not allow to submit this. Then you will have to change the cutoff price. As you can see, I am showing you this. And one more thing, if you are policy holder, you will get the 900 discount, and if you are not some employee holder, then you will get the discount 675. As I am applying with the policy holder, as you can see, I get 900 discount, and you can see as well that 959 I mentioned, then I am not redirected to submit, so I am changing the cutoff price with the 939, and in third option I will put 929 price. Just click on checkbox and submit. You are applied for the LiC IPO. Now you will get the notification on the app, whichever the UPI you mention. You just need to click over the mandate option as I am showing you. You just need to maintain and mandate the option, and your price will be blocked. You can't utilize that money for any other purpose. Until the 9th May, you can apply for the LiC IPO. After that, you will get a notification that you are allotted LiC IPO. Congratulations message, and you will be happy, or I will also happy. And if you like this video, please to like my video and subscribe my channel. Please share with your friends. Thank you so much for visiting my channel. Bye bye, take care.